So this is Alex Fair, and we're here with Tony Stearns, who just won AMIA Pitch IT 2019. Very exciting. How you feeling?
I'm overwhelmed because it was totally unexpected. I feel like we're a little bit of a in the patient's hand solution, and it's the generator of informatics, not like the shake the data for 11 million people. So I'm really proud. Thank you. I'm just excited to be here and to be recognized. It's just great.
Yeah, and you came in as an alternate. You were like the sixth choice by the crowd, and then you were the first choice by the judges who are leaders in healthcare, who really understand what they're looking at, have built billion-dollar companies. So what's next for IRxReminder?
I'm going to go and tell all the people who haven't given us money yet that we won something, which is going to be great because I think this is a major event for us, and we're going to be able to use that money actually to cover our next FDA clearance. We have 2 tests to do, and it'll go right to that because that's our next milestone.
So yeah, I remember you said that you're going to wait till you get your SBIR2 funding to do the next milestone, but now you don't have to wait. You got it.
That's exactly right. We do not have to wait.
That's fantastic, and it's very heartening that kind of great stuff happens. I mean, what we see happens after a team wins one of these things is they're a rocket ship. You're going to be on planes. You're going to be getting new innovations. I guess the real question is, are you ready for it? Tell me about your team, how you're going to be able to handle what's going to happen the next couple of months.
Yes, we are ready for it. My business partners, the rest of our executive team is ready to do sales. We're out today, last week, and next week talking to mental health service area in our immediate counties, looking for to find people to do beta sites. But we have a set of research activities that we do, and so the cards that I've received here, the Harvards and the mobile text, just Hillrom and all the ones that I'm thinking of are in my pocket right now.
And now you've impressed the hell out of them, obviously.
Yeah, so yeah, absolutely. Definitely people coming up after we won, less excited to talk to me beforehand. Absolutely made a huge difference. And it made a difference in my own head, I got to say.
Look, I mean, we always like to see inflection points where companies are going up the curve, and then suddenly it gets very vertical. And oftentimes it's when you win one of these things. So we're really proud to see your progress. You came through the accelerator back in 2018.
Yeah, January.
Yeah, January 2018. Our first MedStartr, one of our first MedStartr accelerators.
And 15 minutes. And you weren't happy.
No, but all the mentors were mentors from the MedStartr network.
Yeah, absolutely. It was completely healthcare focused, and it was a great week in New York City. I learned so much. Anytime people say, "Hey, we're looking to move out of the Midwest and see what it's like elsewhere," I tell them about what you're doing and what Venture Out New York did for us. Absolutely.
Yeah, Venture Out New York, big plug for them. I mean, they run amazing accelerators for countries all around the world that want to come to New York, and we partner with them for our health tech accelerator. Really fantastic stuff.
I would also want to give a shout out to our accelerator, the Magna Incubator, and the mentoring group that we have out of Burton Morgan Mentoring Foundation that supports all the people that I work with. Our mentors are Kathy Lippert, Russ Donda, Jim Wiseman, just great people who give their time gratis to help us over every hurdle that we run into. And it's just Cleveland is doing a great job of holding our hand, and I hope they'll do an equal job of filling it with money after this win.
Well, AlertG is doing their clinical trial at Cleveland Clinic. So there's a good history of AMIA winners going on and doing things with some amazing organizations. So we can help facilitate those introductions. This also begins the MedStartr Investment Fund due diligence process. So our team will reach out to you and say, give us all your due diligence documents, and then we'll invite you in. So that's how the process works. But I think we kind of skipped over an important thing. We skipped over what IRxReminders does, and so you want to give us 30 seconds on that, and we should probably see your product if it's still available.
Sure, it's in that backpack right over there. IRxReminder is empowers patients and healthcare professionals to manage their medications together. Uh, yeah, we provide a cognitive prosthetic that we give to our patients that makes it easy to take their medications. This is what the device looks like. So it's held like a mouse. So you hold it, place it on your hand, tilt it, and the pill comes out, and it automatically sends information out into the app, and the app to the cloud, and the cloud to the healthcare professionals. And so if you're taking your medications, you get no alerts, and it's only when you're missing medications that action needs to be taken. So it's nice.
Okay, so that's a pretty exciting new idea. It helps me take my medications, helps my doctor find out more about it. Find out more. You can find their project on MedStartr. It's going to be on the homepage in the Winner's Circle. And congratulations. Great job.
Thank you so much, Alex.
Okay, thank you. Why were you cutting that off?